In a sunny kitchen, Frigo Camelo opens his belly door only to have tubs of ice cream wobble, tumble, and explode into a frosty avalanche that floods straight out the door and into the city streets. Pastel rivers of strawberry, mint, and chocolate swirl around cars and shops as Frigo Camelo clops forward in his boots, panicking before planting his legs and swinging a giant spoon to try and slam the fridge shut. The crowd joins in with umbrellas and carts, but the creamy chaos finally hardens into sweet hills and slides, turning the whole block into a pastel playground. Blushing with a drip of ice cream still on his fridge door, Frigo Camelo watches as kids laugh and climb the candy-colored mounds, while a street vendor sets up a sign, "Frigo Sundays, limited edition,"